Okay. My name is Toyin Abraham at JMA. I'm an actress and a film producer, and beside me is our distributor company, Film One, as Mr. Moses Babatokbe. And this is not a fight for myself or for Film One alone or for a personal thing. This is a fight for the creative industry. This is a fight for everyone in the entertainment and the creative industry. Because you work hard, you put out things, and they will just pirate it. Streaming, YouTube, cinemas, it's crazy. Gives us panic attack. So I feel I took it upon myself to fight this fight against piracy. And I want to say a big thank you to God Almighty. I want to say a big thank you to AIG, Idowu Alagbon, to CP Atayero, CSP Emmanuel, SP Sarumi, and to all the team, and to Film One. They've been supportive. To my manager, to my husband, to everybody who has been supportive. It's not been an easy journey. It's not at all.
Are you a victim of the complaining?
Of course, I am a victim.
So can you narrate your experience?
Yes, someone just sent the link to my manager when the car started crying. If you look at me, you will know that I'm actually not okay. I had to come from the hospital. I've been having panic attack, It's not easy shooting a movie for over close to 500 million and you just see it out there. So I saw my movie and another movie. I was like, am I dreaming? He said, no, you are not dreaming. And the next thing, they put it on Telegram telling people they are going to upload it by 12. So my manager was like, I said, open the link. I opened the link. I saw MALIAKA. I wanted to run mad. It's like my whole world is coming to an end right in front of me. And as a woman, I was crying, blah, blah, blah. My manager just, don't worry. They started making calls. My godparents, my husband, the team, Film One team, they started making calls. So we started calling. So we started calling the tech guys, started calling, getting how to get to Google. I called my sister. They were trying to get in touch with Telegram. So the next thing, they started breaking the link. So my manager was the one, Otumba Sheon, was sending money, paying. Film One 2 was doing their part. They were breaking the link. So they've already uploaded the other one on Telegram. But they were about to do it. We started breaking the link. I have it on my phone. Google started sending us email telling us the link has been broken. We'll get an alert that someone else is trying to. So we keep breaking. And thank God we were able to break it. But I know a lot of people still have it. And I went to the level, I was desperate to the level that I had to start going on Telegram, begging those guys. One of the guys even told me that I should send an email. He said I should send an email to a particular email. I said on my film, because I don't know what to do. This is my life. This is the only thing I do. That is why I decided to take it upon myself, my manager, Film One, to fight piracy. And this is not about me. It's not about MALIAKA. It's not about any movie in cinema. It's not about tribe, but it's about the creative industry. It's about the entertainment industry, because this is the only thing we do.
How long did it take you to...
I shot MALIAKA for like 2 months, almost 2 months.
So monetary, how much would you say that it was lost as a result of this piracy?
Yeah, I have lost a lot, because even when you go on social media, you see people saying, oh, we'll not go to the cinema, we're waiting for the link to drop. Even fans abroad, they will say, oh, we are waiting for the link to drop. And obviously, anybody that is waiting for a particular thing will not watch. But it's okay, I'm doing well. It's not about money now, it's about fighting a particular cause for the whole entertainment industry, for the whole creative industry, which I'm happy about. So it's not about the money now.
As at the time you wanted the film in the cinema, what was your projection?
Sometimes you don't have a particular projection. You just want to sell movie. You just want to do a good movie everybody will be happy about. So I don't have a particular projection. So I just want to do something that will be impactful. And thank God I'm able to achieve it. There's nothing, and this is part of what we are doing. We have started it. That's why I said a huge thank you to Alagbon, AIG, Idowu, CP Atayero, Sarumi, Mr. Emmanuel. The team have been working. I give it to them. They've been working tirelessly. they've gone to Oshogo, they've picked up a lot of people. So the only thing, we are just going to get to the root of the matter, and everybody can see. So it's not that you can't be picked up. You can be picked up anywhere. So social media is not a place where you just think you can do things and get away with it. Fine, you can do things to people like us and get away with it. It's okay. I'm an actress. You can say anything you want to say. It's fine. I'm an actress. But when it comes to our job, when it comes to piracy, it has to stop.
Sorry, how did you, in your own imagination, how did they get the link? Are you suspecting an insider?
I know, I've learned not to suspect people. I don't suspect anymore because Yoruba mani ìgbà míì ibi téèyàn bá fọkàn sí ọ̀nà ò kí ń gbabẹ̀. Sometimes I learn not to suspect people anymore because where you least expected is where things will. So I don't have a suspect. But definitely, they are working tirelessly and we are going to definitely get to the root of the matter.
Is it the first time your work is being pirated?
Sometimes they say it, but this is the first time I'm actually noticing, I'm saying it. I don't know. So it was when I saw the link. I usually think maybe our old films. So it was when I went to the Telegram, I started seeing Ijakumo. I saw Ige. So they actually even pirate on streaming platform. And this thing is affecting us. Streamings are not going to pay us. How do you want me to live? How do you want my family to live? It's an entertainment home. How do you want my colleagues' family? How do you want my colleagues to live? How do you want people like this to live? People that works with cinema, how do you want them to live? So this is a fight for the creative industry and we are going to fight it.
Are you going to fight for claims?
From who?
From the suspects.
We just want to get to the root of the matter. Sometimes you cannot say this is what I'm going to do. We are going to get to the root of the matter and I'm definitely sure. Sometimes it's the root. Once you get to the root, then you know what to do.
It's a movie, MALIAKA, where some unscrupulous elements who parade themselves in the country to pirate movies of people because she came to us with a petition from law grade firms that she released the movie for cinema view only, which some individuals also pirated and started sharing it via Telegram, WhatsApp group, and other websites for traffic gain and financial benefits, which is injuring her for making normal profits on the movie. And it's not only that, the suspects, after using investigative-led method to arrest them, they also confessed to have done it for several movies, which includes the Tribe of Judas. I advise people who are into sharing these copyright movies should desist because the AIG, FCIDNS, Idoonwa means business when it says it wants to completely suppress criminal activities in the states and above.